Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mark, and you already know we're about that money. Listen up, students. Want to make some serious cash online but think you need a ton of money to start? You're not alone. I used to think that too, but let me tell you, it's just not true. In this video, I'm hooking you up with 5 realistic side hustles you can start today to make money online, all with zero investment. That's right. You don't need to spend a single dollar to get started with these. We're talking beginner-friendly, totally legit ways to earn right from your phone or laptop. Let's go! First up, let's talk freelancing. This is how I made my first dollar online, and honestly, it's still one of my favorite ways to earn. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even just translate languages, you've got valuable skills people will pay for. Don't believe me? There are tons of websites out there like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer that connect freelancers with clients all over the world. Here's the key. Start small. Don't try to land a $500 project right away. Offer some basic gigs for $5 to $20 to get your foot in the door. Don't worry about having a huge portfolio yet either. To get those first few clients and all-important reviews, offer your services at a discount. Once you get some experience and positive feedback, you can start raising your prices. Trust me, freelancing can be a goldmine if you're willing to put in the work. Okay, this next one is for all my students out there who are always taking amazing notes. Don't let all that hard work go to waste. You can actually sell those notes online and make some serious passive income. There are websites like Sudoku, Nexus Notes, and One Class that are made specifically for students to buy and sell study materials. Seriously, it's so easy. Just upload your notes, set your price, and watch the money roll in. You can get paid per download or even a flat fee for your entire set of notes. I know what you're thinking. Do people actually buy this stuff? Dude, I uploaded my business 101 notes to Sudoku as a test, and I made $15 in a week from people downloading them. It's like free money. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but Mr. Hamza, I don't have any real skills yet. First of all, never underestimate yourself. But second, I got you covered. This next method is perfect if you're just starting out and don't have any specific skills to offer. It's called microtasking, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Doing small, simple tasks for money. Platforms like Clickworker, Microworkers, Remote Tasks, and even Swagbucks will pay you to complete super easy jobs like tagging images, taking surveys, watching videos, or testing out websites. These tasks usually only take a few minutes each, and while you won't get rich doing them, it's an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. I'm talking like spending 30 minutes a day on remote tasks and making an extra $40 in a week. It all adds up. Alright, for all my introverts out there who hate being on camera, this one's for you. You can actually crush it online without ever showing your face. That's right, we're talking about faceless content creation. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for this. You can create engaging and valuable content without ever stepping in front of a camera. Think about it. Educational videos with cool visuals, motivational quotes with eye-catching graphics, or even storytelling using animation or stock footage. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can create all of this amazing content using free tools like Canva, CapCut, and by using royalty-free videos and music. One of my friends started reposting productivity quotes on Instagram, and within 3 weeks, he had over 10,000 followers. He's already started making money by giving shout-outs to other creators. Last but not least, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. If you're super organized, good with time management, and know your way around basic computer programs like Google Calendar, spreadsheets, or email, then this could be your golden ticket. Virtual assistants are in high demand right now, as tons of startups, entrepreneurs, and even influencers are looking for part-time help with their day-to-day tasks. This could involve anything from scheduling meetings and managing emails to creating social media posts or doing basic research. Honestly, it's not as complicated as it sounds, and you can often set your own hours and work from anywhere. I helped an online tutor organize her Zoom calls and manage her student list. It took me like an hour a week, and she paid me $80 a month. See, you don't need money to start making money. What you need is the drive to hustle and the willingness to learn new things. Pick just one method from this video and commit to doing it consistently for the next 7 days. No excuses, just action. If I can do it, so can you. Drop A in the comments if you're starting today and let me know which side hustle you're going to crush. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more student money hacks. Let's build that income together.